Blessedluv is back with an unbelievable gift. We are reopening our exclusive giveaway for our 200k subscriber celebration. Yay! When we first launched this, we had to stop offering the special offer because our factory ran out of hair due to the overwhelming demand. They have just now restocked after a year-long wait. For a limited time, you can get our most sought after exquisite 50 grams silky straight hair for free. Yes, that's right, 100% natural human hair for free. This is how much I love you. And this hair is directly sourced, not from China, like all the other rubbish hair that is out there. This hair is directly sourced from the lush mountains of Southeast Asia. Our silky straight hair is super double drawn, which means it's naturally thick from top to tip. Oh, let me tell you, this hair is full. It stays straight for weeks without you needing to re-straighten it. And guess what? The best part is it lasts for over 5 years. Wrap your head around that. This is the same hair you see me wear in all our videos. Let me tell you, this is hands down the best hair I have ever worn. It is easy to maintain and doesn't tangle like other straight hairs you've tried. This hair will blow your mind and change the way you think about hair extensions forever. Don't miss this chance to elevate your style and turn heads wherever you go. This hair has gotten me so many compliments. That's how beautiful it is. It's rare. Click on the link below. I'm going to try to say in one go for your free 50 grams silky straight hair bundle that is super double drawn, no short hairs, smooth, thick, everything that you've ever wanted. Hurry, this offer will not last long. Claim your free bundle now and join our club. Experience the luxury of silky straight hair. I'm so excited for you.